Hello, David Mendoza here. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a cool opt-in page using Kajabi. It's a very powerful platform used by a lot of the top internet marketing experts such as Frank Kern, Andy Jenkins, Trey Smith, Brendan Pritchard, and Les Brown, and John Reese, just to name a few. Now I have a special offer that I'll go ahead and get into at the end of the training, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing you need to do is log into your account. This is what my home page looked like, and I'm going to start off by clicking here where it says funnel 1 or one funnel. Now I've already got an existing funnel that's working, and I've already got it out there to go ahead and get free leads, so we're going to start one from scratch by clicking on squeeze page here. Now this starts up the funnel wizard, and this does two things. It's going to create a new squeeze page as well as a new event. So I'm going to click here on create a squeeze page. And you can see that it created both. This is a squeeze page and this is the event. Now I'm not going to get into the event today, but I'm just going to concentrate on creating the squeeze page. So the first thing we need to do is click on edit. And we're going to go ahead and choose the theme to start off with, and you'd be amazed on how many themes that there are available. Now these are some of the just single themes backgrounds where you can create a customized one, and you can also bring in your own images to do the same thing. You can see that these are pre-built templates. Very professional looking. They're all customizable as well, so you can add logos and things like that if you need to. Color schemes can be changed. It's quite powerful. The one we're going to use today is just going to have a background image. This is the one that we found to be the most converting, so I'm going to click on nap time. Now even though you might not have a logo available, you have to tell it not to use a background image. So we're going to click here, it says your logo here, and tell it not to go ahead and use the background. So click here. We're going to name our squeeze page. I'm going to name it free video. Okay. Then the headline, I'm going to cut and paste this for the sake of time. Okay, and this is what's going to be, what it's going to read above the opt-in box. Now we also want to collect their name and email. So I'm going to go ahead and designate that, and then we're going to turn on to collect their names. And you can see it adds all the other fields that you need. Now we have to give them some opt-in instructions. Let them know we're not going to sell or rent any of their information. Now this is one of the buttons that this is a default button, but I want you to see the other option buttons that you have available here. You got quite a few to choose from. What I'm going to use today is the screen one here, get access now. All right, and then lastly we have to go ahead and update the squeeze page, so I'll click here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a preview of it, so I'm going to click here on preview. Now initially it's going to go ahead, the opt-in boxes are going to be red. Now the reason for this is because it's not connected to an autoresponder yet. So we're going to go back to admin, and we're going to connect it to your favorite autoresponder. Now it uses all the mains, so I'm going to click here on funnel settings, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see its email provider is the same thing as an autoresponder. So I'm going to click on the down arrow, and you can see you can use Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, Office Autopilot, One Shopping Cart, just to name a few. Now these are the top ones, so I'm sure you're using one of these. So today we're going to use Aweber, and I'm just going to call this list, let's just say 2013 like I had there before. We're going to say this is going to be message 1. Okay. And then if you had a product to sell, you can add a shopping cart if you needed to. We're not going to do that obviously today. So we're just going to go ahead and save our settings. And then we're going to preview it again, and then you'll see the full-blown opt-in page. And that's what it would look like. Okay, now we're going to go back to admin. Now we're going to make this live. Now I want you to go ahead, and once we publish it, this means that it's a website. Okay. And then it tells you right here that it successfully published the squeeze page. And now we're going to get our URL. And this is our URL for our website here. I'm going to copy that into memory. And then I'm going to go ahead and open this in another browser. So I'm going to go to Internet Explorer. I'm going to paste this inside the address bar. Okay, now this is what it would look like. Okay, fantastic, huh? All right, let's go ahead and get back to the offer that we have. Now, for a limited time, you can get everything that Kajabi has to offer, which usually costs about $299 a month, for a one-time fee of $97 for the year. It will include all the following: unlimited fully customizable funnels, unlimited fully customizable capture pages, unlimited fully customizable sales pages, a self-branding membership portal, and then you have the 24-hour live support. So if you're interested, go ahead and friend and inbox me, and let me know that you're just let me know in a PM or whatever, and then I'll go ahead and get back to you. Have a fantastic day.